Welcome once again, guys. Let's look at how to add all of this in base 2, leaving our answer base 10. As in case you've not subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more of these videos. Thank you, guys. Alright, so let's do the addition of this. We're doing 1 1 0 1 0 1. Alright, and then we're also doing 1 0 0 1 1 1. And then we have 1 1 1 0 0 1, all in base 2. Right, we have them in base 2. We are adding them in base 2, and I told you what happens with this. I said we add them and our answer is more than the number base, we divide by the number base. So let's add of this. First of all, we start with this, right? We have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives us 3, divided by the number base, which is 2. That should be 1 remainder 1, right? But then we have 1. Fixing the 1, we're going to carry the 1 here. Alright, so we have 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. That gives us what? 2. Divided by the number base, because the answer is equal to the number base. That gives us what? 1 remainder 0. So we fix 0. We carry 1 over. So we're fixing 0 here and bringing 1 over. So that we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. That gives us 3 over the number base 2, because it's more than the number base. That gives us what? 1 and 1. We fix 1, which is 1 here. And then we carry 1 over and fix it here. Right? So we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Are you seeing now? Remember all of these ones. This one is one we carried, right? This guy is one we carried. This guy is one we carried, which is this, right? So we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 gives us 2. This is equal to the number base. We divide by 2, which is what? 1 and then that's 0. So fix 0, yeah, fix 0 here and carry our 1. I'll move our 1 over to here. That gives us 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. Remember I said all of these guys are borrowed. We borrowed all of this, right? Also are carried, sorry. I have 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. That's 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. That gives us what? 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and then 1. So fix 1 and carry 1. Fix 1 here and carry 1 over to this place. Now this is where I want you to pay attention. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we now have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That gives us what? We have 4. Right? 4 is bigger than our number base. 4 divided by 2 is what? 2 remainder 0. So fix 0 and carry the 2 over to this point. Alright? But we bring the 2, we can't put the 2 down because it's equal to the number base. We'll divide 2 as well by 2, which is what? 1 remainder 0. So fix 0 and carry 1. So here we'll fix our 0 and put our 1 here. I hope you understand what I just did. I said we're adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4 divided by 2. That gives us 2 remainder 0. Fix 0. We carry the 2 over. And this is the 2 we carried over. But we can't just fix the 2 because we are adding in number base 2, right? And we can't have a digit 2. So we divide this 2 again by the number base, which is the 2 here. This is the 2. Divide it again by the number base. Give us 1 remainder 0. Fix 0 and carry the 1 over. That's how we add them. So by adding all of that, by adding therefore, by saying 1 1 0 1 0 1 plus what? 1 0 0 1 1 1, all in base 2 please, and then plus what? 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. We're going to get 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 base 2. These are answer in base 2. So let's look at what we're going to get as the answer in base 10. Alright, we're going to solve this in base 10. What do we have? We have 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 base 2 to base 10. I say we're going to convert it to base 10 is very easy, right? Fix them down. This one we carry the 2, also the 2, also the 2 with the 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Let's get our index starting from lowest 1 0 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just take these guys out. This guy with 6 has cancelled. 0 will cancel out this. 0 will cancel out this one. And 0 will take off this one. So we're left with what? 1 times 2 raised to the power 7 plus what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 plus what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Because 0 times anything gives us 0. I've taught you in the former video. So if we do this, what I'm going to have, by doing 2 raised to the power of 7, we're going to have 1 times 128 plus 1 times 16, yep, plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 1. So 1 times 128 gives us 128 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1, right? And then 128 plus 16 gives us what? 144. 144 plus 4 gives us what? 148, 149. So we have 149 base 10. Alright, so if we do that, we're going to have our answer as 149 in base 10, please. This base 10. So very simple. Again, go through them, see how you can understand them. If you have any questions, you can leave them on the comment section. You can send your questions direct to my WhatsApp number. I'm there to answer all your questions. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. I'll see you next video, guys. Thank you.